Almost like a air conditioner that you put in your window. It's very cooling and really nice, especially if you don't have like real air conditioning and you have a window unit, because it does like blow cold air. I would definitely buy this rather than putting ice cubes and water and stuff all the time. The unit. I give it like 10 stars. Feels wonderful.
Has a timer as well. That goes 360. Well, that's actually 60, not 360. And that's 90 degrees. And then that's 120. And it has a pretty strong breeze when it goes. But it is a very beautiful color. Also, where the remote goes up there, which is this, which needs a triple A battery. Those are actually buttons up there just in case you lose this. And then it goes, if it lets me show you, it goes 360. So it's pretty decent. And then that's the back, of course. And then these pieces you actually screw at the bottom. But that's also it going 360. And I'm just gonna turn it off and put that up here, which is perfect. And then showing the bottom down here is actually where you screw in the 6 screws that they give you to keep it together, which is actually a good idea.
as you can see, they put a bag in there with no screws, so an empty bag. So I don't know how my fan is gonna stand up.
You can hear the fan is not going. Nothing's coming out, but it's on. Oscillation works, so it'll go in a circle. It's just doing the hokey pokey because it's not blowing any air. Gonna contact the seller, see what they'll do, if anything, and I'll update my review from there.